Game over. These big waves are not intended to break the ice, but to knock the prey into the water, and they rarely fail. The seal is now where the killers want it. But the hunt is far from over. They need to grab their prey by the tail while avoiding its snapping jaws. Only then will they be able to pull it down and drown it. Side swipes create violent underwater turbulence, a new tactic. Blowing bubbles gives cover for others to lunge at the seal's tail. Somehow the seal manages to reach a tiny ice floe. The killers could easily grab it, but now this seems to have become a game. The seal's life hangs on a roll of the ice. Yet again, the pod joins forces to dislodge the seal. The seal sees a chance to escape. Exhausted, it no longer has the energy to pull itself to safety. And the killers are moving in. Game over.